It's a new year. Happy New Year to you. Welcome back to Adornment with Adrienne. Today I wanted to share with you a rewind, a renovation I did for one of my cousins a couple years ago. We actually redid her whole bathroom. You can see this is what it looked like before. We visited Home Depot. She picked out a vanity, came back and I worked for several days. I took down the wallpaper, as you can see. Worked to take the vanity out.
I'm working today. This is day 2. Well, it started yesterday afternoon and today is day 2.
So I'm working here. I tiled the floor, then I grouted the floor, of course, and then we have our finished result. And then my cousin decided that she might want some decorative tile, so I put some decorative tile around the base of the toilet. We have our new vanity. Shout out to one of my cousin's husbands for helping me put in the vanity. We put in a new faucet. You see our new mirror and light fixture as well. Anyway, what do you plan to do this year? Any new renovations? If you do, please let me know. See you in the next video.